Hi, I'm Philip, one of the co-founders of Spice.ai, and today I'll show how quick and easy it is to enable data-grounded AI using the Spice runtime. First thing we'll do is we'll start off by installing the Spice runtime, so I'll head over to my terminal window and install the CLI. The CLI is packaged separately from the runtime, so we'll need to install the runtime as well. We'll do spice install AI to download the AI-enabled version of the runtime. The next thing we'll need to do is create a new Spice app, which we can use the CLI to help us with, and we'll also add in a quick start Spice pod by using the Spice add command, which will give us access to a taxi trips dataset. So now that we've got the runtime installed, we'll go ahead and create our application directory and add that quick start Spice pod. So I'll just open up my code editor here to show what we've done. We've got this Spice pod that has a dependency. If we go look at the dependency, we can see that it is the taxi trips dataset in S3. So the next thing we want to do is enable the model, which will allow us to talk to our data and ask questions about it. So we'll go to this section and copy this model section, which will adds an OpenAI model. We'll just go ahead and add that here. I'm going to go into our documentation here for OpenAI models, and we can see we've got a few more settings that we can tweak. I'm going to go ahead and just grab this system prompt setting and add it here and say talk like a pirate. And you can see the only other configuration options is the OpenAI API key, which you'll need to get from the OpenAI website, and then the tools auto, which is what allows the Spice runtime to give access to the model to our data set. So I'll go back to the terminal window and I'll just copy over my environment variables and then do a Spice run. So this will take a couple seconds to start up. And we can see here that we've got the model and the data set both available. So we'll go and I'll create another terminal window and use Spice chat, which will connect to the local runtime and connect us to the model. And so we can ask questions about our data set. So we could, how many taxi trips were taken? And the model will respond using the parameters that we set. So it's talking to us like a pirate, and it's actually able to tell us the exact number of taxi trips that were taken. And we can say a follow-up question like how many were over 2 miles long, and it was able to give us that response as well. So just like that, in a few minutes, we were able to download the Spice runtime, connect a data source to a model, and ask questions about our data. If this is something you want to try out for yourself, head over to our GitHub repo at github.com/spiceai/AI to get started. Thank you.